As a part of the software setup, there are two main steps that we need to take care of. First, we need to download the software for the Arduino and load it on our computer. And secondly, we need to install the drivers for the Arduino board. So, as a part of the first step, let's go to this link and download the Arduino software. We will download the version Arduino 0023 for the Windows platform and extract and save it in a location of your choice on your Windows machine. We choose this particular version of software because it is compatible with the code snippets used in our tutorial. Once the software has been downloaded and extracted in a location of your choice, you'll be able to see a folder called Arduino 0023. Go inside this folder and you'll be able to see the application arduino.exe. Run this application, and this application can be used to code and load the programs onto the Arduino board. Now we come on to the second step. As a part of the second step, we need to install the drivers for the Arduino Uno. So what we need to do is we plug in the USB end of the USB cable into the laptop. What we need to do is go to the control panel. Under the system and the security, in the device manager, you will be able to see an unknown device. Choose scan for hardware changes and go to the properties and say update driver. Choose the option browse my computer for driver software. Browse and go to the location where you had uninstalled your Arduino software. Under that folder, choose the drivers. Make sure you do not choose the FTDI USB drivers folder. Let the computer install the driver and choose the option install this driver software anyway. After some time, we should be able to see a success message from the system. Now we can see the message that Windows has been successful in updating the driver software. This brings us to an end of the software setup for the tutorial. Thanks.